I'm reading 2 Corinthians chapter 10, verse 4. Now, for the weapons of our warfare are not carnal, but mighty in God for pulling down strongholds. Next, verse 5. Casting down arguments and every high thing that exalts itself against the knowledge of God, bringing every thought into captivity to the obedience of Christ. This is very militant, disciplined life for the believer. And being ready to punish all disobedience when your obedience is fulfilled. We are commanded by the Lord in 2 Corinthians 10, verse 6, to punish disobedience. And when we do that, our obedience will honor God. Frank, why is this not happening from coast to coast and border to border in the church in America? Look, we're supposed to be kind. The fruit of the Spirit is supposed to emanate from our lives, but it's not wimpy. When evil is beginning or attacking our children, our marriage, our homes, our liberties, our freedoms that are God-given, that was our founding fathers, understanding that our liberties and freedoms are a gift given by God, who's going to defend these things? No one's going to defend them but the Christian. That is not only church history, it is certainly the history of America. We need that in this 21st century. The church needs it like never before.